Oh, yes. All my instructions to my models you can find under my videos. In this video I'm gonna show you the Russian all-terrain infantry vehicle. It's a GAZ Tigr. So let's see this model from the each side. Let's see the features of the model. First of all, we can move the machine gun. It's an arbalete. Let's see it. We can move it in 360 degrees without any stacking, as you can see. Very nice. Incredible modular machine gun. Very cool. Also, we can move the gun barrel up and down. Just like that. Also, there are another features in this model. We can open the doors from each side. Let's open it. As you can see, there is an interior inside in this model. From the other side, we can make it the same way. Like that. Also, we can open the hatch on the top of the vehicle. That. And the doors behind the vehicle. Like that. As you can see, there is incredible interior inside, different viewports for the moving the machine gun, the wheel, special wheel, the different chairs, another different boxes with the ammo. Incredible design, incredible design parts. So let's close all these doors. Very nice looking, guys. Very incredible vehicle. Very popular in my collection. A lot of people have purchased. A lot of people from my subscribers on my channel have purchased already the instruction of this model. Very popular model in my collection. Incredible vehicle. Very nice looking. Also, there is incredible design under the model. There is even these parts like that, like a transmission, like in the real vehicle. Very, very cool. Yeah. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me? Just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time. Oh, yeah.